Hey guys, it's Dares here. We're gonna go plant some garden plants. So I planted all the flowers yesterday, but I got one Russ and Sage to plant for you guys. This is a community garden bed that used to be pure weeds, and now I have planted all sorts of plants like we have two types of lavender, one purple and one white variety. We have a mysterious coneflower I do not know the color of yet. Two types of yarrow, one pink, one white. This is what they call a mammoth lupin. It grows 4 to 5 feet tall. We have one flower that stayed in here over the years, and that's some daylilies. I guess a few irises and chives as well. But that's all that was in here before. Okay guys, so let's add this sage. I need some tools. A pot for water, scissors to cut the fabric, and a shovel to dig a hole. We're gonna plant it right here in this corner to keep the deer away from the other plants. Now that it's planted, we shall go get some water. A full pail of water. You should give most plants a good soaking after you transplant. Now that your plant's watered, it will grow. I'm inside my house now, but I will keep you guys updated on the community garden.